Top 10 Best Places to Visit in Phuket, Thailand. Welcome to the ultimate guide to Phuket, Thailand. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the island's rich history, vibrant culture, breathtaking destinations, and so much more. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned explorer, Phuket has something for everyone. Stick around for the entire video to uncover the hidden gems and local secrets that make Phuket an unforgettable destination. Phuket's history is a tapestry of cultures and influences. From its early days as a tin mining hub to its role as a bustling trading port, the island has always been a melting pot of diverse traditions. Influences from Chinese, Portuguese, and Thai cultures are evident in the architecture, cuisine, and local customs. Understanding this rich history adds depth to your travel experience. Immerse yourself in the local experience by visiting traditional markets, attending a Thai cooking class, or exploring the vibrant Old Town. Chat with friendly locals, sample street food delicacies, and soak in the island's unique charm. Don't forget to participate in a traditional Thai massage for a true taste of local relaxation. Our first stop takes us to Phang Nga Bay. Discover the stunning limestone karsts and emerald waters of Phang Nga Bay. A boat tour in Phuket is a must-do for anyone visiting Thailand. Now, we're off to uncover Big Buddha. Visit the iconic Big Buddha statue for panoramic views of the island. Next on our adventure, we'll explore Patong Beach. Experience the lively atmosphere of Patong Beach, known for its vibrant nightlife and water sports. As we continue our journey, let's discover Phuket Old Town. Wander through the colorful streets of Phuket Old Town, filled with Sino-Portuguese architecture and charming cafes. Up next, we're heading to Wat Chalong. Explore Wat Chalong, the most important Buddhist temple in Phuket. Now, let's dive into Phi Phi Islands. Take a day trip to the famous Phi Phi Islands, renowned for their crystal-clear waters and stunning beaches. From there, we'll move on to Similan Islands. Dive into the underwater paradise of the Similan Islands, a top spot for snorkeling and scuba diving. Now it's time to visit Karon Viewpoint. Enjoy breathtaking views of the coastline from Karon Viewpoint. Continuing on, our next destination is Elephant Sanctuary. Spend a day at an ethical elephant sanctuary, learning about and interacting with these gentle giants. Now, let's take a moment to enjoy night markets. Explore the bustling night markets, like Chilva Market and Phuket Weekend Market, for unique souvenirs and delicious street food. As we wrap up this segment, let's check out fun facts. Did you know that Phuket is Thailand's largest island? It's also home to some of the world's most beautiful beaches and is a popular destination for both luxury travelers and backpackers. Phuket hosts a variety of local events throughout the year, such as the Phuket Vegetarian Festival, Loy Krathong, and Songkran. Songkran, the Thai New Year festival, is a vibrant celebration marked by water fights, traditional ceremonies, and a sense of renewal as people splash water on each other to wash away the past year's misfortunes. Loy Krathong, the Festival of Lights, is a Thai celebration held annually on the full moon night of the 12th lunar month, typically in November. People release decorated floats, or krathongs, onto water to symbolize letting go of negativity and bringing in good luck. The festival features fireworks, lanterns, traditional dances, and cultural activities. These festivals offer a glimpse into the island's rich cultural traditions and provide an opportunity to celebrate with the locals. Now it's time to indulge in Phuket's cuisine, a delightful blend of flavors. Be sure to try local dishes like pad thai, tom yum goong, massaman curry, and fresh seafood. Visit local markets and beachfront restaurants to savor the island's culinary delights. Phuket's nightlife is legendary, especially in Patong Beach. Enjoy lively bars, beach clubs, and nightclubs, or opt for a more relaxed evening at a beachfront bar. Phang Nga Road in Patong is the epicenter of the island's nightlife scene. A budget of $50–100 per day per person is reasonable for enjoying a comfortable stay in Phuket. This includes accommodation, food, transportation, and activities. For a more luxurious experience, budget accordingly. To make your trip successful and fun, consider using travel resources like travel blogs, forums, and apps like TripAdvisor, Google Maps, and local tour agencies. Booking accommodations in advance and having a flexible itinerary can also enhance your travel experience. Phuket is a tropical paradise that offers a perfect blend of history, culture, natural beauty, and vibrant nightlife. From stunning beaches and majestic temples to delicious cuisine and exciting local events, Phuket has it all. Don't miss out on this incredible destination. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more travel guides and adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!